p.m. The Meghalaya Cabinet yesterday approved the establishment of minimum and maximum age limits for recruitment into select government departments. The specified departments include Home Police, Excise Registration, Taxation and Stamps, Home Guards and Civil Defence, Department of Prisons and Correctional Services, and Forests and Environment Departments. Government spokesperson Paul Lingdo explained that due to the physical demands of the work requiring candidates to be young, dynamic and energetic, distinct age limits have been set for the mentioned departments. The Cabinet's decision aims to ensure that the recruitment process aligns with the nature of the roles within these departments.
All of these posts are those which require people who will be younger in age. So the entry point has been set accordingly, and which is why we have different minimum age and different upper age limit for these various posts. So this requires confirmation by the Cabinet, which is why it was taken up for discussion and approval today. We will take another 2 to 3 weeks to advertise, and we should be in a position to complete the process within the next 2 months. It's going to be a huge game changer because as you might have seen, there is a clear deficit of manpower, and this will help address that problem.